Reinhardt low. We got a Hanzo up top. Be weird. Up, Genji. Genji, get down here.
Where'd the Genji go?
He's on the roof.
Ah, I hit him. Oh no, I almost fell off.
Up, shields down.
Hanzo's still up top.
Yeah.
Genji behind.
Genji behind.
Yep.
Genji, leave
Not
my
anymore.
friends alone. Thank you, D-Ta, for that ice wall for me to charge into. Genji, I'm sick and tired of you.
Ooh,
Get out of here.
Hanzo's back
Get out
up
of here.
behind.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
I'm on the run, I need help.
Same, I have a Hanzo hunting my head as Baby Diva.
It's fine. We are pushing the point. That's all that matters. We are pushing the point.
Genji's behind, Genji's behind.
Yeah. He's just being silly. He's being a silly man.
Oh, it's right almost dead.
I
Any help?
see it, don't worry.
He's so close. Never mind, he's not. Oh, beautiful Matt.
Thank you. I am dead because ulting Genji.
Everyone
Oh!
is dead. We got the point though. It's okay.
Yeah.
Good job, team. Oof.
Genji! You're a fly. You're a fly, Genji.
He's a fly that does a lot of damage.
Yeah.
Not again.
Hanzo's back after me.
Oh no. Not again.
That Genji's doing dope work.
Genji, please calm down.
Hi, Reinhardt. How are you?
Is it possible to learn this power that Genji has?
Is it possible to
Not
learn?
from a Jedi.
Oh, hello. Oh, Genji's low. He's so low.
I have the Mercy back there that he's running to. Oh, Hanzo behind.
Yep. Hello, Genji. Genji, you're almost dead. I feel
Mercy,
it.
why are you so good at doing what you do?
Oh, that Ryan. That poor Ryan. Genji!
He's ulting again. How? How's he ulting again? Good job, Will.
Ryan behind you.
Oh, hey Ryan, you're angry at me for some reason. Thank you, Will. You are a lifesaver. No, Will!
I'm alive!
I scared that Mercy. I didn't get her, but... Oh, Reinhardt! He wants me. He wants my body. Please. Oh, I'm not freezing today. I'm just chasing this Ana. I'm probably gonna die, but I... Oh!
Nah, we got her.
We got it, we got it.
Mercy's low.
Nice.
Eat. Genji! Stop being good at the game. I demand
He's
it.
so low. He's so
I have
low.
bronze damage. How?
Where is he? Where is he? I know he's around here somewhere trying to charge his ult. I'm just gonna keep swinging.
I am a simple baguette. I do not have damage medal.
Oh, I have gold damage. How's that? How's that? Oh, Genji. No, I said! Stop it! You got no one with your hammer down, Ryan. You're a failure.
Ew.
I want you to know that.
Thank you, Zen.
Oh, come on.
No, Genji.
Oh, I almost got him. That would have been top tier if I had gotten him there.
Genji's dead.
Yep, Genji's dead.
Let's push. Let's push.
Let's play it again.
Where'd the Genji go? I can't see him.
Goodbye, me.
Yep.
I'm about to play the game this. Believe me.
I have my
Goodbye.
ult.
Thank you, Will. Saving my life. Jumping in there.
Ryan's really low.
Mercy
Never mind.
just revived
Gotta kill the
Genji.
Genji's ulted. Stop him.
Ooh. I got 11,000 healing. This is amazing. Oh no, Andrew.
Andrew. Oh no!
Yeah,
No. Genji,
The Hanzo's
I avenge you.
We avenge you via the Genji. Oh, Matt.
It was
It's
the
okay,
Hanzo that
he's
killed me.
alone. No.
It was the Hanzo that got me.
I
sitting
almost
in
took
the
that charge for you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
tower, along with the Ana. A weapon
I
select.
can't let Mercy bring him back to life. I can't. I refuse. No! Get out of here! You are subject to never.
Never.
Tank. Yeah, Roadhog.
I think what we will find is you two will end up on tank every time, and I will end up on support every time. Or I guess Matt might end up on support too,
Yeah,
since
yeah.
he's good to that. Oof.
Will.
I walked into that.
I saved
Thank
you,
you, Matt.
Andrew. Don't worry. You're saved.
No!
Bye, Roadhog.
Healing.
I killed someone's baby diva. That must suck. That must feel horrible.
It
Maybe
is
there's a lot of
a-
damage on it.
It is quite the feeling. You think I'm scared of? Oh, I am scared actually. I'm going back. I've changed.
Nah,
my
we got
mind.
armor. We're good.
Uh,
Push. Oh,
You
I
died.
died very
You
fast.
died. You died.
I believe in you though. You can do it. You
That's
both healers
cool.
are dead.
Sorry is dead.
I'm dead.
Why though?
Baby
Into the
diva's
hole.
sucking
Into the
gravity
hole.
Oh.
Oh! Single-handedly saved the point. I am a.
I'm gonna give you a whole bunch of heals for that.
I am unstoppable.
We going left?
Oh yeah, why not? Well, that's.
Guess
fair.
we're going left.
Well,
Don't have any
I'm
shield.
going left so I can hook, but. Well, I'm going left. Oh, good
Nice.
job. Good job. Oh, that was big. That was big. one.
Bernardia! Would it be toxic to say GG right now?
Yes, it would. It would be very, very toxic. Maybe I should switch to Roadhog again.
What's
Good,
G? Good round.
Good round, yeah.
Yeah. Or great round.
See,
Alright.
Will, this
We
is
got
why we
time for
don't
one.
say good game after the first round. GG, lol.
Well, I actively threw that last round. Sorry about that, fellas.
You
Much love. Yes! I did it. This is all that matters. Oh! Lijian Tower. Tank.
It's the probably second best map. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Throwing diva. See if I can't push some people off.
Lucio. Lucio.
Really need a
Real
shield.
the tank. What?
Yeah.
Switch.
Matt has quit.
We switched roles. I'm fine
And
with
Matt
it.
switched me computers.
switch back. We regret this decision. We didn't predict that this would happen. We thought that me and Will would both be supports. We did not think Will would be anything but support. We did not.
Yeah.
We did not predict this. We're gonna run to the
Alright,
point.
I don't know how to play Ryan on this map.
Oh well, you almost killed yourself. Good work. Good work. This is good.
Not like that.
Ah, the big diva's hunting baby diva. So no. Thank you.
I've sent help. Help has been sent. Oh, I got one. I did it. I got one of them.
Two at least.
I did
man.
not have to do that ult, but here we are.
It's okay, it was a flex.
Yeah, it was an
The
intimidation.
Genji's on.
Up.
I think I'm figuring out diva's defensively swallow the show.
Yeah, you gotta be really selective when you use it for like when a lot of damage is coming
So like I've been doing it. I did it when diva would shoot at rockets. I've done it.
Yeah.
I absorbed a McCree High Noon.
See, this is why we play, Will. We don't play to win. We play to get play of the game.
Oh,
is
this was
important.
fun. This was so fun.
RKO out of nowhere.
That was while he was olding too. I'm gonna go get a drink real quick. I'll be back.
Sure thing.
I blocked like.
Actually, you know what?
almost
I am also
3,000
gonna get a
damage.
drink. Hopefully, we do not get into a game by the time I get back.
Nah, you know what? If we're all doing it, I'll do it
Just
too.
get a drink. Quick though, because we are queued.
I'm back.
Hello.
Oh, Matt and I are both healers. Oh no.
Indeed we are. The fated has occurred. We are here now.
Lisa, you are amazing. Could you ask me if she can help me out with my helmet sometime? I am sure she would. She is a big
Alright,
fan.
we're just waiting for Andrew. He also is getting water. We could get kicked out of this
Oh.
game.
Oh no.
Andrew, get back. Back.
I'm back.
Oh, good. Just
Andrew.
in time. Quickly. Hit buttons. Play a character and hit buttons.
Hello, Josh.
Hello.
You're late.
Oh, we have a Tracer here. Tracer here. Oh, we've just been playing really well at Overwatch. Don't mind us.
Wow.
It's
Yeah,
I,
it's actually been pretty good.
yeah, it's because we don't have your pro MMR.
Yeah. I can't help but think that a lot. Sorry.
We are. See, but all our training playing with Josh pays off if we aren't playing with Josh because we just mow people over.
Because you play with worse people.
Yeah.
Yeah, gosh, it's so noticeable. It's like just when I turn my frames per second up higher, like it's a whole new game. I feel like I'm actually playing a game.
We're good. We good. We live.
Let's just go down the middle. I feel like we can do it.
Yeah, we got Narissa. We might.
Got you. I've almost. Oh, he's charging.
Brian charging.
Don't worry, I booped him away. He's
Thank
no
you,
longer
mate.
charging. Kill them! Do it! Do it! Kill them! Now's our time! Do it!
Use coalescence.
Reaper's
Do
low.
it! Do it! Kill them! Take the point!
Dave Diva.
Be ruthless.
Tracer.
She's gone.
Tracer's still here.
It's better, Lucio. Prove it.
Baby Diva's gone. Lucio's gone.
Oh no!
Dead. They're all back.
Ultimate Moira!
Matt, don't die.
I died! Oh yeah! We mowed them so quickly.
I didn't even have my ult yet. Goodness.
Goodness gracious.
That's a 2.5 minute game.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, guys.
Yeah.